the Mortlake College online assembly. I'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Kurrawarong people, and pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Good morning everyone, welcome to this week's Mortlake College online assembly.
I'd like to wish the following students a happy birthday for the next week. Millie McGuigan, Marshall Hill, Michaela Mazarovich, and Ruby Wickham.
Just a reminder to all students to wipe your feet before you enter the new buildings. Keep the carpet clean.
It's competition time. At the beginning of term 3, we'll be upgrading the look of our school newsletter. The new look newsletter will have a very professional feel to it, and best of all, the new formatting that will allow everyone to read it more clearly on a greater number of devices. Do you have a catchy new name for the newsletter? For instance, maybe Mudbird Times or Mortlake Mini Express. Enter to win a prize.
Just a reminder for all the bus students to come in from the new entranceway in the morning.
We would like to congratulate these F 5 students for winning awards. This week's winners are Regan Gee, Callan Smith-Clark, Peyton Amos, Ella Power, Sadie Baker, Sam Wareham, Laura Bray, Xavier Fowler, and Nathan Mann. Congratulations to all these students.
At Mortlake College, we're thinking about getting our own mascot, and we're thinking it to be the Mortlake College Mudbirds.
This is a current example, but we would like your feedback on how we can improve. Yep.
At Mortlake College, we're also looking at adopting a motto.
I'll now throw to a commercial break.
Commercials that need to be made. Doritos, take 5.
Do you like cheesy flavor? Well, Doritos brings out that cheesy flavor and supercharges it into one triangle. The flavor really hits you.
Hey, you like cheese? Might not like my jokes, but you're like this. Gorgeous little cheese supreme Doritos. Might be a small bag, but it's still great value.
Doritos. We love Doritos.
Even our toes love Doritos.
Now that's cheesy.
Australia's Gary Flynn went into the 200-metre wheelie bin final, the rank outsider. What happened next made elite average games history.
Quickly into the bend. Oh no! The Dutchman's hit the deck. There's a pile-up. Call the council. Flynn's hit the front. Our man's gonna win. Gold for Australia. Have some of that.
Incredible! They'll make TV ads out of this, JB.
Another make it look easy moment from Sportsbet.
TV commercials that should be made. Vegemite, part 1.
We love Vegemite. Vegemite rocks.
I like my Vegemite with a light spread.
I like my Vegemite with a medium spread.
I like mine a hard hit.
I like eating Vegemite by the spoonful.
And this guy's crazy. Vegemite goes well with anything, even chocolate biscuits.
Yeah.
Don't hold back. Buy Vegemite now.
Good morning everyone, welcome to this week's What is it? Welcome to Mortlake College's online assembly. Okay.
Dang it. Just a reminder for all the bus students just to come in from the new entranceway. In the morning.
Give it another go, it's alright.
A cheesy hit that hits you with flavour.
good.
Rightio, let's go, lads.
All right.
Yeah. Commercials that need to be made. Take 2, Doritos.
Take 2.
Yeah, this is the second try.
Hey, Matt, let's do it again. Let's be clear and a bit louder with voice.
Now it's
Oh,
3.
I'm going to yell.
Doritos! Doesn't matter.
Doritos that need to be made. Take 2.
Doritos that need to be made.
Doritos are made.
Commercials that need to be made. Take 4.
Commercials that need to be made. Take 4. Doritos.
We're going to be on 7 before we get it right.
Hold the packet.
Take 73.
You need to see the packet.
Yeah.
So you need
to step into the middle. You can step in the middle. Commercials that need to be made. Doritos. Take 5.
Commercials that need to be made. Doritos. Take 5.
Do you like cheesy